Welcome! Are you a teenager looking to make some money? In this video, you will find 6 incredible ways to make money as a teenager. And there are no crappy ideas or suggestions like doing surveys for 10 cents each, or to download some app that pays you to watch ads. These are all legit and original ideas to help you start making some money and gaining experience as a teenager. The idea number 1 is start a TikTok or Instagram theme page. If you like social media or spend way too much time scrolling through Instagram or TikTok, you should consider this idea. A theme page is a page of a certain niche. It can be sports, motivation, finance, pets, or whatever you are interested about. In this page, you can create your own content. Or you can upload other people's content as long as you give them credit. The idea here is that you go from being a consumer of the content to being a producer. Once you get a good number of followers, you can monetize your account in 2 different ways. The first one is known as affiliate marketing. You promote other people's products that are a good fit for your niche. You can join some networks to search for these products, like ClickBank or Amazon Associates. Another method to make money is through sponsored posts. This is where someone pays you a certain amount of money to do a post promoting their page, business, or product. These are all legit ways to make money, and you can start doing them once you reach 1000 followers. The idea number 2 is to manage social media accounts. If you like the first idea, this second idea is the next step for you. You can find local businesses near you that have a very low social media presence and talk to them about helping them grow it. You can show them the work you already did for other people, or you can show some theme pages that you already have. They will be impressed that someone as young as you already works, and will recognize that you probably know what you're doing, since you have grown other pages. The idea number 3 is to take advantage of your gaming skills. If you like gaming, you can use that to make some money. You can start streaming on Twitch and post highlights of your stream on YouTube. By doing this consistently, you will increase the people watching your live streams and also your YouTube videos. After a while, you can monetize your content on these different platforms. Additionally, you will learn very useful skills for your future, like video editing, photo editing, and even how to talk to several people at once. The number 4 is to sell waters and sodas in the summer. If you live near a park or the beach or some other location that receives a lot of people during the summer, you can use this to your advantage. If you search on YouTube, you will find lots of videos of people doing this. All you have to do is to get a cooler, buy some waters, sodas and ice from the supermarket and put it all inside the cooler. People get thirsty during the summer in these locations, and most of the times the waters and sodas that are selling in these locations are really overpriced. You can make money by selling below the price directly to people. They will appreciate it, and since you are only a teen trying to make some money, they will probably buy it from you. The number 5 is learn how to replace a smartphone screen. This is a money machine. Everyone has a smartphone nowadays, and it eventually cracks the screen. If you are young, you can learn where to buy a new screen and how to replace it. It's something that people pay a lot of money for, and it's not that hard to do it yourself with the help from YouTube. If you learn and make a good price, you can charge your family members and friends when they need this kind of service. It's a great skill to have for the future. The final idea is to ask your parents if you can do additional chores around the house. I know what you're thinking, but sometimes the place where someone needs your services is not outside, but inside the house instead. Try to speak with your parents to see how you can help them and get an allowance for that. They should be more than happy to get things done by their own kid. If this video was valuable to you, please give it a like. Thanks for watching until the end. If you like the videos, consider subscribing to the channel to see the new videos. See you in the next video. Bye!